Hello friends. Now today we have started session number 4, chapter number 5, cell structure and organization. So now in this session we are discuss about eukaryotic cell and differentiate between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. तो हम लोग आज के सेशन में क्या स्टडी करेंगे? यूकैरियोटिक सेल and difference between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. So now eukaryote cells. So what is eukaryotes? Eukaryotes are more complex type of cell. So these are the eukaryotic cell, and these eukaryotic cells, plant and animal cell, they are most complex type of cell. In eukaryotes, well defined nucleus is present. आप लोग दोनों डायग्राम में देख सकते हैं, इन प्लांट एज वेल एज इन एनिमल्स. So well defined nucleus is present. Well defined nucleus means there is a nuclear membrane, nucleolus, chromatid structure, all these are the present. So well defined nucleus is present. So now once again, eukaryote is most advanced type of cell. In eukaryotes, well defined nucleus is present. So now in eukaryotes, the cell wall present or absent. So now in eukaryotes, the cell wall, the eukaryotes are having four distinct kingdoms. Protista. In protista, there is a without specialized tissue, means they are protista unicellular or multicellular organism. And now in some protista the cell wall is present, but now in fungal like protista the cell wall is absent. Second one is a fungi. So now in fungus, the cell wall is present and it is made up of chitin. किससे बना है? It is made up of chitin. And fungi are heterotrophic in mode of nutrition. Now the third kingdom is a plantae. In plantae, the cell wall is present and it is a autotrophic in nature, means they are prepare their own food. Fourth kingdom in eukaryotes, animalia. So there is no cell wall. Cell wall is absent. The cell membrane is present directly. They are plasma membrane. So these are the four distinct kingdoms in eukaryotes. So once again I will repeat, what is eukaryotes? Eukaryotes are most complex type of cell. In eukaryotes, well defined nucleus is present. प्रोकैरियोटिक में वेल डिफाइंड न्यूक्लियस प्रेजेंट नहीं रहता है, बट नाउ इन यूकैरियोट्स वेल डिफाइंड न्यूक्लियस इज प्रेजेंट. तो हम लोग नेक्स्ट देते हैं सेल स्ट्रक्चर. सो देयर आर यूकैरियोट्स आर डिवाइडेड इनटू द फोर किंगडम्स: प्रोटिस्टा, फंजाई, प्लांट एंड एनिमेलिया. सो इन सम प्रोटिस्टा द सेल वॉल इज प्रेजेंट, but now in fungal like protista there is a cell wall is absent. So some of the having cell wall, and in next one is the fungi. में protista में कुछ ऐसे protista है they having a cell wall. Okay, plant like protista बोलते हैं हम लोग. So they having cell wall, but animal like protista में cell wall is absent. So protista में some are having cell wall, some are without cell wall. Second is the fungi. Fungi, the cell wall is present. They are heterotrophic organism, means they obtain food from the other, and the cell wall is made up of chitin. In plantae, cell wall is present and made up of cellulose and pectin. So they are autotrophic in nature. In animalia, there is no cell wall and they are heterotrophic in nature. Animal कैसे? Heterotrophic in nature. So these are the some distinguishing characters of the eukaryotes. So now in eukaryotes, the complex cell organelles are present. हम लोगों ने पहला पॉइंट देखा, वेल डिफाइंड न्यूक्लियस इज प्रेजेंट. दूसरा हम लोगों ने सेल वॉल देखा. प्रोटिस्टा में सम प्रोटिस्टा, फंजाई, प्लांट, सेल वॉल इज प्रेजेंट. इन एनिमल सेल वॉल इज absent, and in some protista also cell wall is absent. Next one is a next characteristics is a cell organelles. So now in eukaryote, the complex cell organelles are present. Complex cell organelles में क्या क्या आते हैं? माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, गोल्गी कॉम्प्लेक्स, एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम्स, ओके, प्लास्टिड्स इन प्लांट, Plastid means chloroplast, chromoplast, a plant may present, but complex cell organelles are present in eukaryotes, such as mitochondria, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum, etc. So these are the fourth point, distinguishing character of the eukaryotes. Now in eukaryotes, the ribosomes are ATS type. Ribosome कितना रहता है? ATS type, and it is made up of 50S larger unit and 40S smaller unit. So 50-40, it is not a 90, it is considered as a 80 because they are additive in nature. हम लोगों ने प्रोकैरियोटिक में भी देखा था 50 + 30 80 होता है, बट हम लोग 70 पकड़ते हैं. यहाँ पे सॉरी, यहाँ पे यूकैरियोटिक में कितना है? मैंने 50 बोला, 50 नहीं, 60S लार्जर यूनिट एंड 40S स्मॉलर यूनिट. 100 नहीं होता, यहाँ पे कितना होता है? 80S टाइप. सो राइबोसोम आर ATS टाइप, composed of 60S larger unit and 40S smaller unit. So now you can observe these points. Ribosome is a ATS type. So now in eukaryote, the genetic material is a DNA. So genetic material DNA is associated with the histone protein to form nucleosome structure, and finally it forms chromosome structure. So in prokaryotes, there is chromosomes are absent, but only double-stranded DNA is present. But now in eukaryotes, DNA double-strand present associated with the histone protein to form chromosome structure. So these are some characteristics of eukaryotes. One by one, again I will repeat these characters. तो यूकैरियोटिक में पहले कैरेक्टर कौन सा है? They are most advanced type of cell. Second, well-defined nucleus is present. Okay. Third difference, cell wall present or absent. In plantae, in some protista, in fungi, cell wall is present and made up of cellulose and pectin in plant, in chitin in fungi. But in animal, cell wall is absent. There is in animal, cell envelope is present and made up of plasma membrane. Okay, so ये वो आपका cell wall. Next one is a next characteristics is a complex cell organelles are present in the eukaryotes. Complex cell organelles. So complex cell organelles are mitochondria, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes, etc. In plant, plastids are present, but animal, plastids are absent. Plastids are chromoplast, chloroplast and leucoplast. They are only present in the plant but absent in animals. So these are the another distinguishing character in eukaryotes. So now in eukaryotes, हम लोगों ने eukaryotes के characteristics और ribosomes. So now in eukaryotes, ATS ribosomes are present and it is composed of larger 60S unit and smaller 40S unit. Okay, 100 नहीं मानते उसको कितना मानते? ATS ribosomes are present. So these are the distinguished characters of some eukaryotes. Now the next one, differentiate between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. So now first देखते हैं हम लोग size of cell. In prokaryote size कितनी है? 0.2 to 2 unimicron in diameter. So prokaryotic size, they are smallest cell, while in eukaryote they are the largest advanced type of cell. The typical size is 10 to 100 unimicron in diameter. Okay, prokaryotic example दिया bacteria and archaea, but while eukaryotes, plant, animal, protista, fungi, all these are the eukaryotes. So in prokaryotes, well-defined nucleus is absent, but now in eukaryotes, well-defined nucleus is present. So these are the different: nucleus absent, nucleus present. Okay, so now the complex cell organelles are absent in prokaryotes. Complex cell organelles are absent in prokaryotes, while complex cell organelles are present in eukaryotes such as lysosome, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, and chloroplast. They are present in eukaryotic cell. Now next characteristics. So in prokaryotes, the flagella consist of two protein. Okay, flagellin protein. But now in eukaryotes, Okay, it consists of multiple microtubules. Now next one is the cell wall. In prokaryotes usually cell wall is present and the cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. इसमें नहीं दिया है slide में. So cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. So now in eukaryotes cell wall is present only in fungi and plant. In fungi it is made up of chitin, while in plant it is made up of cellulose and pectin. So यहाँ पे प्रोकैरियोटिक में सेल वॉल किससे बना है? पेप्टिडोग्लाइकेन. यहाँ पे सेल्यूलोज एंड पेक्टिन. इन फंजाई काइटिन. दिस आर डिफरेंस. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट, plasma membrane with the spheroids absent in prokaryotes but present in eukaryotes. cytoplasm no cytoskeleton. यहाँ पे cytoskeleton is present. Ribosome in prokaryote it is a smaller and it is a 70S type made up of 50S plus 30S. But now in eukaryote ribosomes are larger in size. They are 80S type composed of 60S plus 40S. Now the cell division occur in prokaryote by the binary fission, while in eukaryote it occur through the mitosis. So now in prokaryote the chromosome are absent, while in eukaryote chromosomes are present in more than one. Okay, now here in prokaryote the sexual reproduction there is no meiosis is occur, but now in eukaryote meiosis play an important role in sexual reproduction. So these are the difference between the prokaryotes and eukaryotes. तो हम लोग सिंपल फॉर्म में दे, पहला पॉइंट क्या आएगा, एकदम फास्ट फॉरवर्ड देखोगे तो हम लोग न्यूक्लियस absent in prokaryote, nucleus present in eukaryotes. Okay, cell wall present in the prokaryotes made up of peptidoglycan. In eukaryotes only present in the plant and fungi cell and made up of cellulose and pectin. Okay, दूसरा difference है complex cell organelles are absent in prokaryotes. In eukaryote complex cell organelles are present such as mitochondria, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum etc. In prokaryotes एक point हम लोग भूल गए, plasmids are present in prokaryotes, but now in eukaryotes plasmids are absent. Okay, और दूसरा पॉइंट क्या आएगा प्रोकैरियोट्स में, इन प्रोकैरियोट्स nucleoid is present, while in eukaryote there is a chromosome is present having double stranded DNA. Okay, now these are the difference between the prokaryotes and eukaryotes. These are the basic difference. तो हम लोगों ने ज़्यादा difference दिया मगर some basic difference are very important for the exam point of view. So these are the difference between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. So today we are completed. eukaryote में fast forward जाता हूँ. What is eukaryote? Eukaryote are most advanced type of cell. In eukaryotes well defined nucleus is present. Okay, cell wall is present in only in the plant, absent in animal. They are also present in fungi. Cell wall is made up of in eukaryotes made up of cellulose and pectin in plant and chitin in fungi. Okay, next point क्या था, complex cell organelles are present in eukaryotes such as mitochondria, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum, chloroplast etc. Now next, chromosomes are present, means DNA is a double stranded associated with the nucleolus histone protein to form a chromosome structure. So chromosomes, well defined chromosomes are present in the nucleus in eukaryotes. Ribosomes are 80S type composed of 60S plus 40S subunits. Okay, these are the difference. Now in eukaryotes there is a food material in plant कौन सा है, स्टार्च, एनिमल ग्लाइकोजन, ये भी डिफरेंस हो सकता है. सो दीज आर द डिफरेंस इन सम डिस्टिंग्विश कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ द यूकैरियोट्स. सो दीज आर द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द प्रोकैरियोट्स एंड यूकैरियोट्स. हम लोगों ने फास्ट फॉरवर्ड देखा. ओके, तो आज के लिए इतना ही काफ़ी है. थैंक यू. टेक